All right, good morning, everyone. It is 9 a.m. on the 12th of November, 2021, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So, first thing we have up here is FTCH. This is up on NUZE that confirms talks with Richemont, I don't know, over expanded retail partnership. Shares climb pre-market. It's a London-based luxury fashion e-commerce company. Said Friday it is in discussions with Richemont over the potential expansion of their existing retail partnership. Options being considered include the use of Farfetch platform solutions to power Richemont's Maison and Yux Net-a-Porter, the participation of Richemont's Maisons. This has got to be a French company, right? Well, anyway. It's up on this news. It has earnings coming up soon. Let's see where this thing is based. Headquartered in London. Okay, that's what it said in the first part. Founded by Jose Manuel Ferreira. All right, so, well, it's trading up on NUZE. I'm using the Fibonacci's. So after this thing opens, I anticipate that there will be some selling, and when it does sell, I'll buy the break back above either the open, the 75%, or I'll average in between the 61.8 and the 50% levels. The next thing that I'm looking at is NUZE. This NUZE popped up yesterday. It opened at $2.02, closed at $5.20, made a high of $7.63. So this morning in the pre-market, it's popping up a bit here. Although usually continuation doesn't really do all that great on a small cap. This one, it's a coffee company that just recently got accepted by some certain Walmart locations. Let's see. NUZE Incorporated engages in the manufacture, market, and distribution of beverage products. It operates under Twin Peaks, Pine Ranch, and Coffee Blenders brands. The company was founded November 9th, 2011, and is headquartered in Plano, Texas. And the news from yesterday that had this thing popping up here, NUZE shares soar after partner coffee roaster Covey Coffee expands product availability to select U.S. Walmart stores. Okay, so it's looks like it might catch some continuation. So a move above 754. If it can move above, go up above, break above, hold, and then continue, then there will be a trade there. So I have an alarm here at I have an alarm actually at 529. Let me put an alarm at 754 as well. Oh, okay, I see. Let's get rid of the paint dots that I just put on there and put an alarm. So if it breaks 754, it'll catch my attention. And then RDWR, this is a short idea that I actually got from my stock screener on Street Smart Edge. So it looks to be like a break below 3301 is going to be pretty bearish for this thing. I'm not sure what the story is behind it exactly. It had decent earnings. It did have upside surprises on earnings and revenue. Maybe it's forward guidance. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with it. It's a short idea. We'll see how it works. I usually don't play short ideas. If I do, I don't take very much risk on them. All right, so the broader market here, S&P, or the SPY, I should say, if it opened up right now, it would open up 0.31% higher than the previous close at 465.23. 465.23 is pretty good. I think that's higher than the previous open. The previous day's open was at 465.21. So it'd be nice to see it open up above above this red candle here. It'd be nice to see opening price open above that, and then maybe a little dip down at the open, and then turn this little little thing right here into a dip rather than anything. Like, people are like, is this the beginning of the crash? You know, it's like, it's rough. It's rough to wait, you know, to make your way through all of the sort of crazy speculation of the next big crash and so on and so on. You know, there are a lot of like people out there you'll see on YouTube, and I mean, Yahoo articles, you know, Wall Street Journal articles for that matter. I mean, there's a lot of people out there, you know, calling for a 50% crash that occurs over, you know, like a 2-month or 1-month time frame and stuff. And it's just like, you know, and there have been in recent history, I mean, there are some really big financial institutions that have been warning about, you know, upcoming economic mayhem and disaster and so forth. I mean, I'm talking like Goldman Sachs, you know, Michael Burry, the guy that, you know, profited so well off of the housing crash. People, you know, Ray Dalio from, I think he's from, I've forgotten the name of Ray Dalio's company, but I mean, there are a lot of very recognizable people and companies who've been putting out these dire warnings. And maybe they're 6 months to a year too early. I don't know. Right now, though, the market is definitely bullish. So, you know, if you place your positions in line with the trend, you know, you have a much better probability of making money, much higher probability of making money. So the trend is up right now. The VIX is coming down. There's a risk range on the VIX between 18.96 and 14.26. And you can see here that on, let's see, the 10th of November, it kind of spiked above this this risk range, the high end of the risk range. Now it's kind of falling away. And, you know, if this thing behaves, you know, the way it's supposed to behave, which is, you know, nobody really knows, you know, we're going to get moves from the top end to the bottom end. And so right now what I'm attempting to do is make money on, you know, on this down swoop right here, this leg right here. So, you know, I'm long some options on the SPY. So then there's Bitcoin, and yeah, Bitcoin kind of did another look above and fail. So the let me go back. Actually, we're to all-time highs, and you can see it better. I'll leave the. There we go. So you can see here, back here on, was that the 20th of October, and the next trading day after that, the 21st of October, it did a look above. So its all-time high back here was at 64,895, and it did a look above and fail, and dropped down, gained some energy, and then popped back up. Now, this is the next, this 67,016 level was the next level, and you know, Bitcoin came up and did a look above and fail again. And I mean, so my guess is this, it's just going to kind of keep doing this. For the foreseeable future. This pattern is kind of in, look above and fail, look above, fail, look above and fail, and, you know, and just kind of keep doing that. That's kind of the way things are looking right now. Yeah, Bitcoin, it's bullish. It's not pretty. It's not the best looking chart. I think Ethereum has a much better looking chart. But, you know, it's Bitcoin, and there are a lot of people who are in this thing. So, and there are a lot of people who are holding. They are hodlers. They're not going anywhere. All right. So then let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the morning. It's a quiet pre-market, which usually means that it's going to be a really busy regular market. So, yeah, good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.